and in this video we are going to talk about the Philips hand blender. This unique device comes with a single operation button and lets you create new sort of cuisines on a daily basis and lets you experiment with new menus. So let's get started with the unboxing of this Philips hand blender. As you can see, we have here with us the Philips hand blender. This is a green colored box over here, and it's quite tall, as you can see, because hand blenders are usually much taller in profile, and you have the motor which fits in with the blades. So let's talk about the features. So as you can see, this box already has the look and feel of the product. You can see there's a single operation button, right? It's blue in color and it's got a dual tone touch. So you've got a nice white flavor added in the between parts of the hand blender, and then at the top you have a nice touch of blue as well. So just adding a bit of I guess premiumness, because what you're looking at is a product which doesn't need to be looking dull, which is why I think it's good that they've added a different kind of variety there. At the bottom you have the blade which fits in, and you can definitely replace them easily, and you also get extra blades for whipping and whisking, so that's a definite bonus here. So let's unbox this and see what we have inside here. As you can see, again, as we mentioned, it's going to be a tall thing to use, and it's nicely wrapped inside this cover, and you have this white colored Philips hand blender with, as we mentioned, the blue button over here. This is for the single operation, and the blue at the top is there just to add a bit of different touch to it, because otherwise it's a plain yellow hand blender. At the bottom you have this blade. You can easily replace them, and you have these replacement blades which are available inside the box, so that's always an added bonus. Apart from that, you have this warranty card. So now the thing with warranty cards is that these are products which have motors inside this, and motors are something which can definitely have some problems. So what you can easily do is you can use this warranty card, head over to a nearest Philips store and get it repaired at free of cost if it happens within the warranty period. In addition to this, you also have this unique pad over here. So this basically what it does is it lets you hold up the hand blender easily. You can park it somewhere inside your kitchen, and you can just make sure that you are not keeping it idle anywhere lying flat on the floor. Apart from that, you have the cable which is attached. So what you get is a powered support. It doesn't support battery, so what you have to do is you'll have to plug this into the power socket, and in order to use this one. Then in addition to this, you also have, as we mentioned, blades. The hand blender offers you a power support of 250 watts. So this is a powerful motor, and the power support that you get is 230V. So you need to understand that this will be a bit heavy on your electricity consumption, but nevertheless what you get is a different set of menus that you can try around on a daily basis, and I think this is a must-have in your kitchen armory. So this here is the Philips hand blender. We have this model over here with us that comes with a single operation button, and you get power support of 250 watts through the motor that's built into this hand blender. You get extra blades as well, and the blade support here fits in at the bottom of this one. So this is the hand blender. For more videos, stay tuned with us.